Talk to me about Jude Bellingham. He's absolutely extraordinary, isn't he? Is there a better midfielder in world football right now than Jude Bellingham?
No chance. I've been speaking highly of Jude now for a number of years. Ever since he's come and trained with the boys, you could see his mentality, his physicality is incredible for such a young boy. To have the head on his shoulders and not also, but to be able to deal with it physically, he looks enormous out there.
Maguire, the centre-back of the Manchester United Football Club, speaks here on the performance of a huge win against Italy in the game, the European qualification match. And of course, he speaks so many things, and in one way or another here, he is just trying to speak out the way the match was difficult. And in fact, the game was very difficult, and of course, the opponents were so strong, and as a player they tried as much as they can to become the winner of that match. And fortunately enough, Maguire and his teammates tried to make things good, and officially now they have qualified for the Euro 2024 in, of course, the Euro 2024 matches will be heading, if I'm not mistaken, it will be in Italy. And in fact here Maguire provides the significant attitudes and the way